Another way to help you decrease that loneliness, to counteract that loneliness, is to create more positive emotion, right? Because when you have more positive emotion, then will counteract the negative emotion of loneliness more successfully. Okay, so some of the way to help you create more positive emotion is to, again, create meaning and purpose, create meaningful goal that get you excited and motivated to wake up every day, to go out there and do things to help yourself and others, and looking forward to do them daily. Okay, meaningful goal, or goals that have no destination. Okay, goals that you can do for the rest of your life. Okay, no destination, because as long as you are alive, right, you want to keep doing things that are meaningful. Okay, that give you purpose, and if you can do that daily, then you will create a sense of belonging daily, which means you will never feel lonely. Okay, so you want to see which kind of goal that you can use your strength and talent that you can do daily. Okay, and when you can do daily, again, then you will create a sense of belonging daily. That will decrease your loneliness. Okay. And also another thing is that personal development, and I share a little bit about that already. You want to be stronger. Your emotion is your emotion, but you can be stronger than your emotion. It depends on you. Okay? You do not want your emotion to be stronger than you. You want you to be stronger. And personal development is the key. Learn how to become a stronger person. Learn how to build your characters. Learn how to increase your self-esteem. Learn how to increase your self-confidence. Learn problem-solving skill. Okay? When you do all those things, then you become a stronger person. So no matter what kind of emotion manifests, you can learn to control it, because you know that you can think logically. Okay, and not allow your emotion to control you. A lot of times we allow our emotion to control you because we are not strong enough. We are not clear enough. We cannot think clear enough to make better decisions than our emotion, right? If our emotions are stronger than you, then your emotion will take control of you. But if you are stronger than your emotion, then your emotion can't control you. You are in control of your emotion. And then you will start to believe in yourself that I can tackle anything. Okay? And when you are stronger than your emotion, you will feel great about yourself because you can make better decisions. Okay? And then you increase your self-worth. Okay, I can do this. Okay? So when you are becoming a stronger person, you will master your emotion. You will not let your emotion control you. And then you will be in control of your life. Okay?